Another fresh Ford Ranger in the workshop. This thing is about to get torn apart and turned into one of our Outback Explorer pre-rego GVM upgrade kits. 4-inch lift, 35-inch tyres, and at 3.8 tonne GVM, and it's 100% street legal, all states of Australia. Let's let the boys rip into this and come back, check out what they're up to. All right, so the chassis has been ground back, ready for chassis bracing. The boys, all I have left to do for prep work is get in there, a bit of wax and grease remover and clean it all up so we can get the plates in. What they'll do is they'll tack weld them all in, make sure everything is sitting nice and square, and then weld it out before we seal it off with some Sikaflex and then give it a nice coat of Raptor coating, so it's a nice durable coating on the chassis. Obviously, when you're adding a heap more GVM to a vehicle, when we do a FEA analysis to make sure the vehicle can handle it, we work out that the chassis will need a little bit of bracing to handle that new GVM upgrade. So we brace it all back. Obviously, it's not a full boxed-in section, make it some crazy tank-looking chassis. Brace the outside of it, make sure that it FEA tests perfectly to know that the load is not getting put back to where the standard dual cabs break, just here behind the cab. So one of our Boilermakers is about to come in and get this one all braced up. We'll come back and check that out, but while we do that, we're gonna check out what the boys have been up to in the front. All right, so on the front end, the boys have got the UCAs, the struts, and our front sway bar links all fitted up. UCAs, obviously the car is sitting with a 4-inch lift, so you're gonna need something to adjust that wheel alignment. The factory camber adjustment on your lower arm is just nowhere near enough. So added in some fixed UCA, so they've got extra camber, extra caster added into them to suit that new lift height. And then we finalise our wheel alignment with our lower camber adjustment. 8-stage remote reservoir, adjustable shocks. These are fitted up. They just haven't fitted the res yet. The boys are working on getting the bull bar fitted up. They go on once the bull bar's fitted up just to fit the res mounts. But this is almost buttoned up on the front end. This side's almost done. They'll get to work on the other side. Then it'll be on to getting the bull bar fitted up and the big wheels and tyres. So the chassis bracing has all been welded out and painted and sealed. That one's all completed. The boys have also gone ahead, fitted up our 2.0 remote res shocks, as well as our 500 kg constant load leaf springs. Obviously, as this car is a GVM upgrade kit, the suspension needs to be designed to hold that new GVM at a constant load. So some big heavy leaf springs in there. Make sure this thing can sit at that new 3.8 ton GVM all the time.
Too far in. Let me just
Alrighty, Big Ranger is getting finished up. So they're finishing up the bull bar on this one. It has the EFS bar. You also get the option of your off-road animal Toro or Predator bars. This customer has added in the carbon 12K winch as well to get the big girl out of any sticky situations. Once that's finished, the boys are going to be lowering it down to get the big 35's on. Then it'll be flares and mud flaps to make sure it matches all the ADRs we need for our SSMs. Once that's done, it is pretty much good to go, and this one will head back to Ford. All right, Josh, we are here with the big Ranger, mate. It's finally been revealed. How happy are we with it?
Very happy, thank you. Looks great. You guys did a very good job. Happy with everything. Took a while to build it, but
yeah, definitely there.
we're there.
The SSM process does take a long time with whether it's getting cars from overseas, all sorts of stuff, but we make sure once we get it, we get everything done right so it's 100% street legal. But with that being, where are you planning on taking the rig?
Well, my sons do a lot of dirt bike riding, so we go away a lot.
Okay, awesome. Yep.
A lot of touring, beach, Bribey, Woodgate.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Pretty much.
The perfect platform for family camping.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. And then obviously GVM got plenty of space in the back to chuck the bikes in and that sort of thing. So I'm sure you'll be able to have to get the boys some more bikes, I guess.
Oh, we got enough bikes, mate. I can do that right now.
But if you're going to use one word to describe it, what would it be, or one sentence?
I don't know, amazing.
Yeah. So what made you look into the Ranger and go down the Ranger platform?
So obviously, Superior have built most of my trucks, like not you personally, but I've bought the parts and done it all. So I've always liked Superior. Your warranty's great and everything. And me and my brother have been having this argument and our mates about pre-rego, what you can do, what you can't do. So I thought, why not ring Superior and ask myself? So I talked to Alex and she said, yeah, we can do this and that with different cars. And I said, what car can I legally run 35's?
Yep. She
said the Ford Ranger 300 series and the Parado. I said, well, I don't want any of those two, so give me a Ranger.
Yeah, perfect.
And she said to go to Nova Ford. They work in well, and that's why I picked it.
Makes a super easy choice that way, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
All right, well, I think we've done enough talking. It's time to give you the keys.
Yep.
We've even got the guys here from Ford to hand those keys over to you and let you get on the road and go test this weapon out.
All right, thank you.
What's up? Thanks for coming out, mate.
No, thank you.
No worries.
Doing hectic stuff, you know.